and welcome back. I'm so glad to see you here today. So today while working on this brand new painting, I would be sharing with you few ways of how you can always stay motivated for painting and come back to it again and again. So let's get started. So my number one advice would be keep your studio always filled with inviting energies. I love candles, plants, and create a cozy aura around me while I enjoy painting. And this one was gifted to me by my lovely patron Ratna. So thank you so much for this. So I love organizing my space and keep it as clean as possible, as I call it my place of worship. So of course I just want only love and positive energies flowing around in here. So point number 2 has to be work on achievable and simple paintings. Whenever you're feeling down or you don't want to paint or you're feeling really, discouraged, don't worry at all. Just pick up a very smaller concept. Paint something that you really enjoy painting so that you stay in touch with art and you don't have a lot of gap in between, so that it just boosts your confidence. At the same time, you'll feel really motivated and confident to come back again and start painting. And remember, art is a therapy to heal your mind and soul. So stay away from any kind of pressure or high expectations. Take breaks. Yeah, this is very important. And a big hug to all those artists who are feeling a little discouraged or uninspired or whatever, if you're feeling low. So a big tight hug from my side. Remember, this time shall pass. You just need a break. Just take some time out of art. Maybe you just need to meet old friends, talk to your parents or anybody that you love, go out on a trek, just change your vibe. Cuddle some pets maybe, or maybe make some nice yummy food. Just get into some other kind of creative thing, just keep yourself engaged and happy, relax yourself, and then come back with better ideas and motivation. And never comparing your 10 to 30 days of practice or maybe a month of practice with someone's 7 to 8 years of experience and hard work. So yes, we really need to look into that, just take the best from people around you. There is so much to learn. Alright, so these were few tips that I wanted to share with you, and hopefully these would be useful to you as well. And here is the final look of my new creation. So this was the final look of my painting. It took about 25 days to finish this painting. There were so many beautiful elements and I wanted to give it good time. And I had some real nice, happy moments in the studio. And I hope you liked it too. And this painting is also available for sale on my art store. So you can check out the link in the description box below. And the exciting news is that I've relaunched my website. So you can always have a look at it and do let me know what you think about it. And if in case you're interested to buy any originals or prints, please use my discount code, that is Alika10, which is a Mother's Day special discount code. So just use that and let me know what you think about my new art store, and do write down in the comment section below. I love hearing from you all. Till then, take care and thanks for watching. Mwah! Bye!